In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Forms responses as a PDF in just 5 minutes. This process can be incredibly useful for maintaining records, sharing static copies, or simply organizing your responses in a format that's easy to access and print. Whether you're a teacher collecting feedback, a business gathering customer opinions, or an event organizer tracking RSVPs, having your responses in a PDF format can really simplify your workflow. First, you'll want to open the specific Google form where you've already collected responses. Head over to the Google Forms website and log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, find the form you're interested in by scrolling or using the search bar if you have many forms. Click on that form to open it. Now that you've opened your form, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a small 3-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More options. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options, but the one we're looking for is the Print option. Selecting Print might seem a bit counterintuitive if you only want a digital file, but this is actually the key to saving your responses as a PDF. Once you click Print, a new dialog box should appear. In this window, you'll see a section labeled Destination. It might default to your connected printer, but what you need to do is click on that destination setting. You're looking for an option that says Save as PDF. Select that option, and now the document will be prepared to export as a PDF. After selecting Save as PDF, you'll want to ensure everything looks good. You might see a preview of the PDF showing all your form responses. Take a quick moment to double check that everything appears as expected. If it does, you can proceed by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of this dialog box. Clicking the Save button will prompt you to choose where on your computer you want to store the PDF file. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to remember, whether that's your desktop, a specific folder, or even within a cloud storage solution if that's what you commonly use. Once you've selected the location and confirmed the file name, hit Save again, and your responses will be saved as a PDF to your chosen location. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to save your Google Forms responses as a PDF. This method ensures you have a permanent, easily shareable record of all the valuable information you've collected. Remember, having these responses in a more formal document can make reviewing and sharing them a lot simpler, so it's a great skill to have up your sleeve. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.